Ïaki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Tang hadin katugunis ngi wana kaliang ka BCCI kladep banjit yuba renal kharkamni upasden ka Rbdca banlang ko match of server namta ka Ïalehkai cricket apne ka India ba ka New Zealand menta sa sin na kaliang ka Board of Control for Cricket in India klajit pat siyo President Rangba jaka Meghalaya Cricket Association unnaba batacharji banlang ko Ïalam and team manager yaken hunir ka cricket kan Thei jongkar vi sha Australia ka bansalong shen kadba mentaka singi ka arfana tarik unai wing arjal saupan haswa bo Presiden Rangba ka MCA unlet syakate ka tur ulayo benwan yuk jat ahmadan Ïalehkai ka Rbdca panakit bok ig hybrid ki brangdon hapdang jing pen kre ban mi kmat naga jala meniakun yang lempung Ïalehkai cricket haga nega ju ka singi nakaleng ka Rbdca klayo ban le don buram ya Presiden Rangba jongki man haga ju ka por man kit bok ru ya u haswa ban le Ïalam ya ken hun kan thai jokari sha Australia haga ni kasni lia sekilang dak jing lang ba renal kharkamni ude Presiden jok Rbdca bad uba Ferdinand kharkamni ude Vice President jok Rbdca harangkat ke jingdon lang kino Ïalehkai ke Rbdca Cricket Academy lembat ki wei pat
You see that building behind? Yes, you're seeing, na? Yes, that clubhouse. This building, you think without this foundation it will stand if you just put there? Huh? Because it has got a strong foundation. Similarly, you under 16 boys are the foundation of our teams which will come after you. So your role is very, very important. Because from this level only you go up to 19, 23 senior. And this is the place, this is the age group where you have to learn. Fine tune your techniques. Go up to your coach. Because once you go, as you grow in age, it is very difficult to change. Whether it's your stance, whether it is your follow through, whether it is how you bowl, at what length you bowl, all these things, this is the time to strengthen. And one more thing, you have to be very, very serious with what your coach and others are saying. Understand? Yes, sir. This is the time also to build your discipline, your commitment, and also to decide whether you want to continue playing cricket after this camp or this tournament. Because this BCCI tournament is not the end in itself, it's just the beginning. And I can tell you, because it is not I'm here in Rbdca, according to me, is the best association for looking after and generating interest, at the same time providing the necessary resource and the ground. You see, such a lovely ground they have come up in 1 year's time. I think a big round of applause for Reynolds and the entire team. And this speaks of what? Teamwork, team spirit, and working in harmony. Same way, your team also should be like this. I think all these days you are here, you have seen how they work. You have to support each other, hold each other, and work shoulder to shoulder with each other. cricket is not an individual game. Individual performance is there, but it's not, and it's also a team game. And I think this is one aspect which you can learn also from the Rbdca District Cricket Association.